Have you ever wondered why they decided to go for the name of Chooks to Go? It's pretty simple, you know. Actually, Chooks to Go is kind of a casual term for chicken in Australia, and the to go part simply refers to the takeout only format of Chooks to Go. Well, if you want to know, most roasted chicken brands or lechon manok brands, they all come up with their own special dipping sauce, and that's kind of what people expect from them. Kahit tayo, nag-expect naman talaga tayo na masarap ang isang manok kapag niluto nila. For Chooks to Go, they're known for their tagline of masarap kahit walang sauce. In English, delicious even without the sauce. This is tagline kinda gives you the impressions that wow, their chicken must be incredibly tasty, that they're confident enough to brag about no needing sauce. So it's kinda makes you think that their chicken has been marinated for hours or even days, if they can make the blandest of chicken parts taste well. But what's fun is that this whole taste without sauce thing, they didn't come up with this on purpose. So apparently, during their marinating process, one of their employees skipped one particular step, and surprisingly, instead of running the whole batch, it made the chicken much more tastier, juicier, and it's just overall more delicious to the point that it no longer needs sauce.
So, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. So, by the way, we are here from Oxbow and we are from Normal. Thank you so much for good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for Madam, may I know your phone? Balayan, first of all, sa Boy Incorporated. I'm handling one of my outlets under Gusto Tabaco. So, as a source, this total can have managed to the numbers of sales and Gusto. Okay, so far, Gusto Tabaco is almost 5 years naman siguro bigering. So, from the start, of course, started me from scratch, may nahalin, but since we have standards about that, so how to handle customers, to give good quality na products, consistency, I think it's one of the factors na nakatapak para mitahan. So, sa manang mamundalan ng mga branches ay nakapagod sa mga encounter ng challenge pag challenges, nakanyang challenges na alin, sa pro, of course, sa pro, makakita kang honest na pro, and hardworking na pro, and aside from sa pro, sa alin, makita kang alin, sa mga class, then aside from that, this time, I know in Tabaco is very high, you know, sa listen kayo siya, supervise, and then with the help of our technology and CCTV, so supervise para makita nato sa dagan yung sa lala sa delivery sa so hindi talaga manalimutan na parang marami yung branches. So sana niya yung mga katulad na yung mga sulit ko, ano po yung mga advices namin sa amin to ensure strong business and magkakaroon po ng strong branches. Okay, to all aspiring business women, actually hindi na ako business naman, for those who are again aspiring business women, so tsaga lang, of course kwarta para maka-revolve, you know, and one thing dyan is how you handle your people. It's about people, it will be the one na maka-abang ninyo para mula ko success sa business. how you train your people, how you handle your people in a good way. And again, your frontliner, your bloodline. So, wala imo tao, wala Pilipino.
Walo.